Hello everyone, welcome to HE Engineering. In this video we can talk about casting of a roof slab with RMC, that is the ready mix concrete. Most of us used to concrete the roof slab with hand mix only, that is for residential projects, but today we can discuss about casting of a roof slab with RMC in detail and its advantages, disadvantages. Before starting this video, I would like to request you to please like this video, share it with your friends and family members, and do not forget to subscribe to our channel to get more videos regarding construction. Now without getting any further delay, let's start our video. Few days earlier I read an article somewhere which I don't remember where I read, but what I read was concrete is the second most consumed liquid in the world after water. Concrete can be done in two methods, that is first one is hand mix and another one is ready mix, that is RMC. Hand mix concrete is what we use to procure the construction material, that is sand, cement and aggregate separately and mix it in specified proportion at site to make concrete. Whereas ready mix concrete is a concrete which will be manufactured in a batching plant according to the client's requirement and approved design mix and conveyed it to the site in a ready to use condition. The concrete is conveyed through vehicle, that is a transit mixer of capacity. It ranges from 3 m³ to 10 m³. First we can talk about the advantages of RMC. In RMC they used to have updated technology in proportioning, mixing and conveying. Hence RMC plant can maintain excellent quality, that is we can achieve more strength in concrete with less quantity of cement compared to the standard mix design, because RMC is being followed with the design mix proportion instead of a standard mix proportion. Also they used to mix admixtures chemical to increase the workability in concrete, but in hand mix we have to follow standard mix design only. In hand mix we have to, if we want to increase the workability of the concrete, we have to increase more quantity of water. If we increase more quantity of water, then there will be reduction of strength in the concrete. So while doing hand mix concrete we should have proper water cement ratio. And the next point is transportation and the placing of concrete is very easy with RMC. Once the concrete mixers reaches the site, concrete placing can be commenced immediately through the concrete pumps. And next point is concrete production and mixing is done in another place, that is in batching plant. So the site will be free from noise, dust, pollution and free from raw material and cement stocks. By using of RMC, the construction speed can be enhanced and schedule delays can be avoided up to an extent. And next is as the concrete production and mixing is done in another place, in batching, that is in batching plant, the site will be free from noise, dust, pollution and free from raw materials and cement trucks. And next point is concrete produced from RMC can be customized as per the client requirement, whether it is M20 grade concrete, M25, M30, whatever the grade will be, it can be customized. RMC plants can be a great relief when the site do not have sufficient spaces for stocking the raw materials. RMC plants can cater any quantity of concrete starting from a small residential project to big construction site. And the next point is on-site wastage of raw material and concrete can be avoided by using RMC. And next we can talk about disadvantages of RMC. We have to deploy more number of laborers to level the concrete, as the concrete pumps will keep on dumping the concrete back to back, and to avoid concrete load at one place we have to deploy more number of laborers to level the concrete immediately. And next point is unforeseen delays and traffic jams leads to concrete rejection. And the next point is a very efficient and effective transport system has to be maintained before planning of the concrete. And the next point is quality has to be checked at site as per its standard on fresh concrete, and also we have to test a specimen of concrete cubes at 7 days and at 28 days whether concrete is achieving its sufficient strength at 28 days or not, we have to check properly. And the next point is for residential construction, the customer may not get better idea of the quality of concrete due to lack of site testing facilities. That is, concrete cubes can be tested only after 7 days, 14 days, 28 days only. So customer may not get complete satisfaction. Even I have heard with many of my customer about this. And next point is RMC last vehicle should be ordered after taking accurate measurement due to difference in drawing and site measurement. Used concrete with the batching plant and RMC for more than 4 years. I am very satisfied with the RMC compared to the hand mixed concrete, but customer may not get complete satisfaction because of lack of site testing facilities for residential projects. Commercial project will be having a separate team to check the quality of a concrete, but residential project will not have so. To check the quality of concrete of RMC, you can get suggestion from your local experienced engineers or structural engineers. In next video, we can see the cost difference between hand mixed concrete and ready mixed concrete. That's all for today's video. Hope this video is informative to you. Please like this video, share it with your friends and family members, and if you want me to take any topic regarding construction, please mention it in comment box below. Thank you. Khuda Hafiz.